It's just like past 4:30. And say good morning to our neighbors. It's still dark. And we're leaving early today. So we have to go since our flight is at 7 a.m. Bye, hotel. Bye. Sweetheart is still arranging our bed, even though we're checking out already. Morning, sweetheart. Bye. It's time to go back home. Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good trip. Thank you.
And we took a taxi. We are now here in the airport. It's still early morning. We're here in departure train. This is Schiphol Airport here in Amsterdam. Schiphol. Ay, dapat pa-picture ako dito. Dito may tulip. I got tulips here by just here outside. It's dying though, or some did not bloom yet. See? Nasaan yung EasyJet? Ano si Jet? Baka dito sa dulo. Tanong ka kaya? Saan? Ha? Yeah. Ano nakasulat? Ano sabi? Gate 28? Ayun! Doon, yellow yata. Yun, yellow. And we're dropping our bag. And this is Schiphol Airport. And we have just dropped off our bag after more than 30 minutes in line. And now we're going to check the lounge.
No.
Hi. We're done with security. And this is airport here in Schiphol. Sarado pa. There's a Mercury Hotel inside the airport. Wow. That's my sister's favorite chocolate, Tony's Chocolonely. Chocolonely pala. So that, hindi pala chocolate, Chocolonely. 41 daw. Our gate would be D24. 8:25, Jenny. Fashion travel. See ya. You know, 25 to 40. Since we don't have enough time to go to the lounge, we just go straight to our gate, which is D24, and it says that it would be 16-minute walk from security. That's too far. Now here in D6, and we are still going to D24. So it's a good exercise early in the morning. I was still here in D7. So more gates to come. This is so unique. They have their own thing. God. Relax, revitalize, massage, energize. Shiatsu. Reboost in 8 minutes. So if your own space, you do the massage thing. That's cool. And after a long of walking, we're finally in our gate, which is D24. It's D24. And that's our airplane. Early morning. Good morning, Amsterdam. I'm saying bye to you today.
Didn't check that one.
Open and seatbelt fasten.
It was like 10 minutes before our flight, which is 7 a.m. It's just 6:50 and we're leaving already.
Let op de verlichte borden en de
Bye,
instructies van de bemanning, alsmede op de volgende veiligheidsprocedures. De veiligheidskaart in uw stoelzak voor u bevat belangrijke informatie. Als u buiten bent, blaast u het
I
vest
don't know,
op.
there's an airline called Corendon.
Indien het reddingsvest weigert of meer lucht opgeeft, blaast u in het ventiel. Er zit een lampje en een fluitje aan.
And we're landing after an hour from Amsterdam. We're back in London. Thank you, EasyJet.